I'm in love, love, love. The cutest little baby, don't mean maybe. My baby don't care for shows. My baby don't care for clothes. My baby just cares for me, only me. My baby don't care for high-speed chases. My baby don't care for motorcycle races. He'd rather spend time with me than play his PS3. He's sensible as can. He's sensible as can be. My baby don't care. Who knows it? My baby just cares for me. I'm a lucky girl. I'm so happy since the day I fell in love in a great big way. The big surprise is someone loves me too. Someone loves me too. Guess it's hard for you to see what anyone can see in me. It simply goes to prove what love can. It just proves what love can do. My baby's no J-Lo fan. He's not a Beyonce man. My baby just cares for me, only me. My baby don't care for Katy Perry. No way. He'd rather have me to love and marry. Carrie Hilson's not his swag. Paris Hilton makes him gag. He thinks they're all a drag. Don't worry about me and baby, yeah. My baby just cares for, yeah, he knows what I'm there for. He thinks I'm perfect and he loves my singing. My baby just cares for, my baby really cares for me. The poet writes, but I can only love you in just one way, to keep love shining ever bright, so bright. When somebody loves you, it's no good unless he loves you all the way. Happy to be near you when you need someone to cheer you all the way. Taller than the tallest tree is, that's how it's gotta feel. I feel dear. deeper than the deep blue seas. That's how deep it is when it's real. When somebody needs you, it's no good unless he needs you. All the way through the good and lean years, and for all the in-between years, come what may. Who knows where the road will lead us? Only a fool would say, but if you let me love you, it's for sure.